Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this Paint by Line kit reindeer. I'm going to go in first with the brown that's provided and also the largest brush in your packet, and I'm going to base coat the brown parts of my reindeer. Next I'm going to be going in with the tan color that's provided, and I'm going to base coat the little patch of hair on the top of his head, his antlers, and also the area around his mouth and nose. This is a Paint by Line product, which means that all the lines you see here are etched into the cutouts. That makes this little paint kit very easy. I've also selected all of the colors used here, and there will be a brush kit provided that has 10 different brushes in it that I actually use on a daily basis. So they're really good brushes. Just make sure you wash them after each use. I'm going in now with a little bit of white to paint his eyeballs, and then a little bit of pink to paint his cheeks or her cheeks. This could be a girl reindeer. And I'm going to use some black just to paint the nose and also the center of her eyes. I'm going to go in with a little bit of that brown to paint the eye color, and then I'll go back in with black to paint the center, the pupil of her eye later. Now I'm going in with a little bit of that darker brown, and I'm just going to brush it over the hair part and also the antlers. I have very little brush paint on my brush right now, so that's how you want to start. And I'm going in now that everything's dry with my Sharpie brush stroke marker, and I'm beginning to outline everything. The step is super easy with this marker that will also be provided in your kit. And I just kind of follow the lines with it. It gives you a lot of control. Of course, there is black provided, so if you prefer to use paint, you can use that. But I definitely recommend the marker. After I'm done outlining, I'm going to go in with a little bit of white and that number 4 round that's provided in your brush kit. And I'm just going to highlight everything, kind of following the natural curves of the painting and of the product. I like to do this because it brightens everything up. And then after that, I'm done. I really hope you guys enjoy this paint kit, and make sure to have a wonderful day.